Hi everyone, it's Jonathan Sandman again. My concentration field is at a therapy groups where there's a mix of psychologists, LPCs, licensed social workers. So it's pretty diverse. Uh, they do cover children, adolescents, and adults. Don't see many seniors. Um, And once again, the range though is from anxiety, depression to PTSD, traumas, anything around that, mainly. They also do psychological testing as well, which is kind of neat. But prompted me to take medical as an elective is I really don't know a whole lot about it. It seems interesting, but it was one of my choices, so I'm kind of glad I got this class, just to kind of see what it's about. Um, Things I'm hoping to get out of it is things I could apply in therapy sessions, and once again, just educating myself more about what a medical social worker does, and maybe that's something I would be interested in pursuing. So we'll see. I look forward to working with everyone. Thanks.